Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to quickly talk about a few issues that can happen with the Toy Story Signature Collection Buzz Lightyear motors. Here's what it looks like if it is removed from your figure. I've done many videos in the past on how to take them apart. And basically it's just secured onto Buzz's head with these 3 screws onto his under neck portion, and then this fits onto his head sculpt. And so if your Buzz Lightyear motor is not moving at all, one issue that could be the case is underneath this little dust cover, there's this timing belt, and it can wear out over time, or if you have it in high heat conditions, it can melt and loosen. And you can replace it with a small similar rubber band. These were marketed as horse hair ties, so they're a bit thicker than a normal hair tie rubber band, but it does the job pretty well. This motor unit was removed from my Buzz Lightyear when I bought it in 2019, and I haven't had it installed at all because I didn't want any issues to happen with it. Another, I'd say, most common cause is this gear snapping, because of the fact these gears are fit with friction onto metal bars that go through the motor unit itself. This gear is fitted to the back side of this large pulley that you see with the rubber band on it. And so all of the friction from the gear going back and forth really quickly, which is also a poor design, the gear will go back and forth, and then snap eventually because it's just too much stress on the plastic. So if your Buzz Lightyear is glitching where his head is moving sometimes and then not other times and getting stuck, the gear is most definitely broken. And you can find hobby gears. There are a few different like remote control airplane stores, and you can also try your luck at a dollar store. Sometimes there's something that has a gear that's the right size. It seems to be a pretty common gear for what it is. And basically I have a few different ones here. I'll show you. This is another gear. I don't know if this one is broken. I think it is, but it's just harder to see. This one you can obviously see the fracture, but this one I think I tried to melt at one point and get it back into place. I think right here it's cracked. There you can see. So this one is already snapped. Sorry about my dirty, greasy fingers. I've been working on stuff all day. So this is me attempting to put a metal gear instead. And this motor unit is from a Interactive Buddies from 2010. They used a very similar gear set, and this one also failed. And so this one I tried to friction fit a metal gear on that I pulled off something else. Metal is definitely better, but this one also snapped from me trying to put it on. So anyway, this video might help you with your troubleshooting of fixing the motor. If you find a solution to trying to fix this gear, let me know. The only thing I can think of is to try and heat it up and glue it with some sort of super glue or epoxy and put it back in place, but you'll have to make sure that none of the teeth get mixed up. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out my other videos on my channel.